dissolves into weightless white, a silent lift beyond the story's tide. Colors soften, horizons disappear, where every river folds into the clear. 1,000 petals opening in light, no walls remain, no secrets left to hide. Sky and skin begin to intertwine, the outer vastness breathing deep inside. I am whole, I am free, one with the endless shifting sea. No force, just soft release into the flow. Ancient veils of thought dissolve and go. Shadows thin until the light breaks through. No distance left, only this, only you. 1,000 petals opening in light, no walls remain, no secrets left to hide. Sky and skin begin to intertwine, the outer vastness breathing deep inside. I am whole, I am free, one with the endless shifting sea. Edges blur, quiet stirs. You are the ground, you are the stars. One drop returning to the sea. Awake inside infinity. Sahasrara. The architecture clears, solitary years dissolve like tears.